In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an ad group in Google Ads using best practices. Whether you're just getting started with online advertising or looking to enhance your existing campaigns, understanding how to properly set up an ad group can significantly improve your advertising strategy. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Ads homepage. You can easily find this page by doing a quick web search for Google Ads or by entering the URL directly if you have it at hand. Once you've landed on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will be the hub of your advertising activities. Next, you'll want to click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. This will direct you to the sign in page where you can enter your account details to access Google Ads. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. Remember to use an email that you check frequently, as you'll get important notifications and updates about your campaigns there. Once signed in, you'll be redirected to your Google Ads home. This is where you can see a snapshot of your ongoing campaigns and account performance. It serves as a great starting point for all your advertising needs. From here, locate the campaigns option in the navigation menu on the left. Clicking on campaigns will bring up all the campaigns you have currently running or paused, allowing you to manage and create new efforts. After navigating to the campaign section, find and select ad groups. The ad groups page is crucial because this is where you can organize your keywords into groups to determine which ads are shown and when. Having correctly structured ad groups can ensure better targeted ads and can yield an improved click-through rate. Moving on, it's time to create your ad group. Look for the option that says Create Ad Group, typically marked with a plus sign or highlighted button, inviting you to add something new. Clicking here will open a new window or page where you can set up the specifics for your ad group. As you proceed with creating an ad group, focus on the key components like choosing the right keywords, writing compelling ad copy, and selecting the proper audience. Pay attention to the details that align the ad group's goals with your campaign objectives. Ensuring consistency across these elements will help your ads perform better. That's it. You've set up an ad group within Google Ads. Remember, the success of your advertising strategies hinges on organizing well-defined ad groups that target the right audience with precise messaging. Regularly review and optimize your ad groups to achieve the best results. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your advertising journey.